A new round of confusion hit X after X Drone Studio posted 2 images claiming to show the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4, immediately triggering speculation, skepticism, and excitement across the platform, especially among camera enthusiasts and content creators who closely follow DJI's compact gimbal camera lineup. The caption accompanying the images was written in Portuguese and loosely translated to a phrase expressing how strange the design appeared, specifically pointing out the unusual button layout, a rotating or twistable screen, and the presence of what looked like an additional screen on the back of the device. These images appeared to depict a completely redesigned pocket camera that differed dramatically from anything DJI has released before, most notably by showing what seemed to be a dual camera system housed within a single glass enclosure, a design choice that no previous Osmo Pocket model has ever featured. The idea of dual cameras immediately raised eyebrows, as DJI has historically kept the Pocket line focused on a single high-quality sensor paired with strong stabilization rather than multi-camera experimentation. What made the situation even more intriguing is that this design concept was not entirely unfamiliar to those who follow leaks and rumors closely. A well-known leaker had previously shared images or sketches of a similar concept, also hinting at a dual camera setup, which at the time was largely dismissed as speculative or experimental. However, when X Drone Studio reposted imagery that looked far more polished and realistic, debate erupted almost instantly. Users began dissecting every visible detail, from the oddly placed buttons to the seemingly rotating display mechanism and the mysterious second screen on the rear side of the device, all of which felt unconventional and, to some, impractical. The original post reportedly originated from an account known as D2Help, which openly expressed uncertainty about the authenticity of the images and even suggested they might be AI-generated. Unfortunately, that crucial context was largely ignored as the images spread rapidly across X, shared and reshared by multiple accounts without the accompanying disclaimer. Within minutes, the visuals went viral, stripped of skepticism, and reposted as though they were credible leaks. As momentum grew, users began demanding confirmation, tagging known DJI leakers, reviewers, and tech pages, and eventually the same images made their way back to us through subscribers asking whether the Pocket 4 had truly leaked. At this point, nothing about the images has been officially verified, and the possibility that they are an AI-generated hoax remains strong, especially given how convincing modern generative tools have become. Still, the explosive reaction highlights just how much anticipation surrounds the DJI Pocket 4, and how eager the community is for any hint of what DJI might be planning next. One of the most talked-about rumored upgrades for the Pocket 4 is its sensor, which is said to be significantly larger than that of its predecessors. Reports suggest the Pocket 4 could feature a 1-inch class imaging sensor, a substantial leap forward that would dramatically improve low-light performance, dynamic range, and overall image quality. However, some sources indicate that this sensor might be implemented in a tubed or partially cropped configuration to fit within the compact form factor of the Pocket body, meaning the full sensor area might not always be utilized. DJI has recently shown interest in square format sensors, as seen in products like the Osmo Action 6 and the Osmo 360, and there is growing speculation that the Pocket 4 could follow the same design philosophy. If DJI were to use a square sensor measuring approximately 13.2 by 13.2, it could unlock significant new creative possibilities, particularly for vertical video. A square sensor would allow creators to capture true 4K vertical footage without sacrificing resolution or image quality, unlike the Pocket 3, which reduces vertical output to around 3K due to its traditional rectangular sensor orientation. In an era where platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts dominate content consumption, this would be a major advantage. Creators could shoot vertical-first content natively, without cropping or reframing compromises, making the Pocket 4 an even more attractive tool for social media professionals and solo creators. Video performance is also expected to take a substantial leap forward, with rumors suggesting support for 6K recording at up to 30 frames per second. While not all creators will deliver content in 6K, the extra resolution provides valuable flexibility in post-production, allowing for cleaner crops, digital zooms, reframing, and enhanced stabilization without noticeable loss in quality. High-speed recording is another area where the Pocket 4 is rumored to shine, with reports pointing to 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second, enabling smooth, cinematic slow-motion footage straight out of the camera. If these specifications prove accurate, the Pocket 4 would once again position itself as a serious contender in a crowded market filled with advanced action cameras and even some mirrorless systems that now offer similar frame rates and resolutions. Exposure control and lens features may also see meaningful upgrades. Some leaks claim the Pocket 4 could introduce a variable aperture system, potentially ranging from f2.0 to f4.0, which would give users greater control over exposure and depth of field in changing lighting conditions. Other sources, however, suggest DJI may opt to retain and expand its built-in neutral density filter system instead. The Pocket 3 already benefits from integrated ND filters, and enhancing this feature would allow creators to maintain proper exposure in bright environments without carrying external accessories. Whether DJI chooses variable aperture, enhanced ND filtration, or some hybrid solution will likely come down to design complexity, reliability, and cost considerations, but either option would be welcomed by the community. Beyond imaging, the Pocket 4 is rumored to include several workflow-focused features aimed at professional users. Built-in internal storage is expected, possibly starting at 32 GB or more, supplemented by microSD card expansion for longer shoots. Support for 10-bit DLOG-M color profiles is also heavily rumored, which would provide significantly more flexibility in color grading and post-production, especially for those matching footage with other DJI cameras. Osmo audio support may also be included, allowing seamless pairing with DJI's wireless microphone systems via Bluetooth, reducing setup time and improving audio quality for vloggers and interview-style creators. Another intriguing rumor points to the possibility of full 360-degree panning capability. Similar to what is available on the Osmo Mobile 8 smartphone gimbal, which would allow for more dynamic camera movements and creative tracking shots. On the downside, it appears there may still be no dedicated gimbal motor lock mode, a feature many Pocket users have long requested for safer travel and easier handling when the camera is powered off. As for the release timeline, predictions vary. Photo Rabs has suggested a launch date as early as December 18, 2025, but considering DJI's historical release patterns, a broader window in the first quarter of 2026, possibly aligned with CES 2026, seems more plausible. Given the rumored upgrades, pricing is expected to increase slightly, with estimates placing the Pocket 4 somewhere between $500 and $600. While more expensive than previous generations, this would still be competitive for a compact, stabilized camera offering high-end specs tailored to modern content creation. If these rumors hold true, the DJI Pocket 4 could represent a refined yet impactful evolution of the series, delivering higher resolution, improved stabilization, better sensor performance, and features that directly align with how creators shoot today. Meanwhile, on November 19, 2025, another major DJI product quietly took a significant step toward launch when a highly anticipated FPV drone officially appeared in the United States Federal Communications Commission database. This FCC listing is far more than routine paperwork, as it signals that the drone has cleared one of the most critical regulatory hurdles required before it can be sold in the U.S. market. For DJI fans and FPV creators awaiting the next leap in immersive aerial filmmaking, this development strongly suggests that the Avata 360 is nearing its real-world debut. With FCC approval confirmed, the conversation shifts from speculation to tangible consumer readiness. The FCC certification confirms that the Avata 360 meets strict wireless communication and electronic safety standards designed to prevent interference and ensure safe operation. Listed under FCC ID SS3 DVN3NT, the filing also includes battery specifications and standard safety warnings, such as reminders to keep hands away from moving propellers. Canadian IC certification further confirms compliance in North America. This approval arrives at a politically sensitive time, as the FCC has recently voted in favor of rules that could restrict the sale of devices deemed national security risks, a discussion in which DJI has frequently been mentioned. Despite increased scrutiny, DJI continues to move forward, and the Avata 360's approval demonstrates the company's determination to keep innovating. In terms of expected performance, the Avata 360 is shaping up to be one of the most versatile FPV drones ever released, with rumors pointing to dual 111-inch image sensors capable of full 360-degree capture and an impressive 38-megapixel resolution for still photos. Video capabilities could include 8K recording at up to 50 frames per second for immersive panoramic footage, alongside 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second for traditional FPV flight. The inclusion of 10-bit DLOGM would further solidify its appeal to professional creators who demand advanced color grading options. With a rumored price of around $999 for the Fly More combo, the Avata 360 appears poised to lead the FPV market into 2026, reinforcing DJI's dominance across both ground-based and aerial